Good day, this is Professor Wills, ABMD PhD, and today's Sunday, July 10th, 2022. It is 7:04 and 44 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, protein. So let's hop to it here. Balancing protein in your diet could improve water quality. Eating too much protein adds to nitrogen pollution in U.S. waters. Date July 7, 2022. Source: University of California. Balancing how much protein you eat with the amount your body needs could reduce nitrogen releases to aquatic systems in the U.S. by 12% and overall nitrogen losses to air and water by 4%. Protein consumption in the United States from both plant and animal sources ranks among the highest in the world. Researchers say if Americans ate protein at recommended amounts, projected nitrogen excretion rates in 2055 would be 27% less than they are today, despite population growth. The study is the first to estimate how much protein consumption contributes to excess nitrogen in the environment through human waste. It also indicates that coastal cities have the largest potential to reduce nitrogen excretions headed for their watersheds. It turns out that many of us don't need as much protein as we eat, and that has repercussions for our health and aquatic systems. And if we can reduce that to an amount appropriate to our health, we can better protect our environmental resources. The human body requires protein, but when a body takes in more protein than it needs, excess amino acids breaks it down into nitrogen, which is excreted mostly through urine and released through the wastewater system. And this brings additional nitrogen into waterways, which can result in toxic algal blooms, oxygen-starved, dead zones, and polluted drinking water. Coastal cities face dramatic population growth in the coming decades, and suburban migration patterns indicate such movement is typically accompanied by increased nutrient loading conveyed through wastewater, stormwater, runoff, and other sources. The study found that coastal cities along the West Coast, Texas, Florida, Chicago, and especially the Northeast U.S. show large potential for reducing dietary nitrogen loading to their waste sheds. The sewage contributes 15% of the total nitrogen plucked from land to ocean in North America, the study said. The technology capable of removing 90% of nitrogen in sewage exists, but less than 1% of sewage is treated with a due to its expense. Eating a diet that balances protein with the body's needs can be healthier for humans and reduce nitrogen pollution in the environment without additional wastewater to treat and coast. It is interesting to think about possible ways to cut into those nitrogen losses beyond expensive technology. Dietary changes are a healthy and cheap way to do it. Good day, this is Professor Wills, ABMD PhD, Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, and Pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.